Hello, this is Vanessa from Nomad, and today I'm going to show you how to use and access your workshop mobile web app. So the first step will be for your admin or fleet manager to share with you the link to the workshop app. This link will get to you into a text message where you just need to click on the link. And now the platform is going to request you to provide your mobile number. Here you just need to type it in. Once you type it in, then you're gonna get a code into your text messages. You just put it in and click on verify. Once you verify, you're gonna land on the home screen of the web app. Here you're gonna be able to see if you have any work orders assigning to you, if you wanna submit a repair form, or if you wanna conduct a service of an asset. In the case you want to conduct the service of an asset, the first thing will be to choose the asset you are servicing. So let's say in this case will be this dump truck. Once you choose the asset, the platform is going to show you the service form related to it, where normally you'll need to provide the service date, also the project you're in, the readings, and the service type you're conducting. All this information is crucial because this will update the servicing dashboards your fleet manager or admin person has in the office. Once you conduct all the service checks and report any faults you find into the assets, you just need to go to the bottom of the form, sign it out, and click on submit. Once you click on submit, the page will refresh and your service form will appear as a PDF version to your admins, completing all the process to update the servicing of your fleet. In Nomads, we recommend you to save your workshop app into your phone home screen so you can have easy access into it. To save it into your home screen, you just need to click on the share button in the lower part of your screen, scroll down the options, and then select the option that says add to home screen. Here you can just change the name. In this case, I'm just gonna put workshop, click on add, and now I'm gonna be able to see it in my phone home screen so I can have easy access into it when I'm doing my repairs or my services. Thank you.